Good evening, everybody. So, could you follow the last class? Did you all go through the codes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good
Okay,
evening,
great.
sir.
Yes, good evening. So, what I can ask you is that why don't you prepare your own data sets? Not by typing in the R code. Why don't you prepare it in from a Google form, giving the name of individual people? So you can give a Google form and ask everybody here to fill it. The name of the person will be coming, sex, male or female, and you can give the two data sets, that is the what data, that is height and weight. So like that you can create a data, one of you can take the initiative and create a data set, and once it is done, and you can export, you can import it as a CSV file, and you can start executing the codes. Is it okay for you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Alex, can you take the initiative? You can create a Google form and you can pass it on maybe by tomorrow or Monday in the group, and they all can fill the datas. And once you are requesting all to fill the datas by, if Alex is giving it by Monday, so by Tuesday all can fill the datas, and by Wednesday Alex can send the CSV file and you can start executing the data set. Is it fine for all? Can you all do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So that will also give you an hands-on opportunity how you can create a very simple data set, and you can execute it with the codes which I had given in the last class. Last class is just exactly on the how you can explore the particular data set. Okay. So Alex, do it please by tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So still now there are 15 participants. Another at least 3 people should join. Shall I? Another 1 minute is remaining, so let me wait for a minute. If everybody joins, I will start that by sharp 7:30. So Milan and Pranati, I think you both were not present in the last class. Could you follow the links sent?
No, sir. I had some issues with it. I'll just now that I'm here, I'll ask you doubts, sir, so I'll get it clar.
Okay, Milan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, could you follow? I think you're not present in, I think, last 2 classes. Did you follow the
Yes,
YouTube
sir.
video?
Yes, sir. I use this link and follow all the steps, sir.
Okay, great.
Okay, sir.
Okay then. Okay, Divya, are you able to execute the R? Your R studio is working?
No, sir. Still facing the same problem.
Still facing the same problem. Shailesh? Shailesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Are you able to execute the R codes in your system?
Yeah, code is running, but I'm following your live channel. Okay. So it will be easy for me, I feel. So running at randomly, so few codes are missing, so I'll be lagging behind the things.
Okay, the codes are also given and the YouTube videos are given.
Because,
Both are together.
here in the YouTube itself. So because here, if I lag means, so the class will run off. So that's why.
Okay, fine. Okay, we'll start now. So today we will give a small introduction to this for loop, and then we will go ahead with the graphs, the plots. So today we'll just give a small introduction to the graphs. Graphs we will take it later, even tomorrow, because graphs are one thing you can you need to, if you are giving it in your research paper, it will attract a lot of reviewers, and you will be able to even give much more descriptions or discussions to the graphs. So I want a separate class for our graphs. So hopefully by tomorrow we will do this. Okay, so let us do with for this one loops today. Very simple programs on the loops. So you can start like, you can just type it along with me. So directly you can give 1:10 or 1:20, and remember it. After this, you have to give one curly bracket, and then you can execute even here also, print x. In some of the books or codes, it can be in the second line. It is up to you. You can take it either in the same line or in a different line. So very simply, it will print all the 1 to 10. So the very basic for the for loop we had seen in the last class. Let us execute even further. So make a list of some fruits and vegetables. So let it be, like already I have given x, let it be directly fruits. So one thing, as I told you, either you can give this operator also and this operator also, both are one and the same. You can give an operator here I, sorry, not operator, it's variable. Are you able to do it?
Yes,
Just
sir.
very simple codes I am giving for you all. Okay. So one by one I will give you, that is just first one I gave how to print all the variables. Next I put it like fruits, and for each value of I have given how you can print the values individually.
Sir, what does that command mean, sir? For I in fruits.
It is looping. It is looping. For I in first, it will print apple. Second, it will print banana. Like that it is. One by one, it will print. That is the first I gave you. Like 1 to see. First operator, it will take as 1 and it has printed 1. Second, it has again gone and printed 2 till 10. Here also it is like till date, it will print it and it will stop. That is what is the for loop. Even you can do it in this manner also. I'm telling you how you can execute the for loop because last class you are asking actually. So what are the other options you can give for this for? So I am just giving you slowly one by each and every step.
Sir, like it's the same command, no, sir. We can either use the first one or this one.
No, it is the same only, but little bit different. How I have written it. All the commands are I have given one line. So here I have given the fruits and printed it. Here I have included the fruits in this for loop and I am giving it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. See how you can get it. So understand and then type it. So these are very simple. Do not get confused. So these both are the same, just little bit difference I have given. Here I have gave one particular variable and I inputted the fruits here and then I printed it. Here I did not assign anything, just directly I put it. Here even if you are putting as for I in C, that also it will be taking it. Say for example, if you are not giving for the fruits, okay. Even if you're not giving for fruits also, you can just give as I, it will take it. For I in C, or let it be for S in C. So print S. So it will give the same thing. Understand that these are very simple commands. And slowly I will give you a little more also difficult. So see and very carefully and understand it. Executed this for any doubts? Because I will give you now nested loops.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in these 4 codes? Because next one will be a nested one.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. See this one very carefully. So here I have given fruits for I in fruits. If I equal to apple, then break. Break means it will come out of the loop. Or it will not come out, it will again go and execute the loop and see what is it printing. Anyway, fruits is already saved it, still you can again run it this one because for your understanding, because fruits is already saved here. So run it fruits, then see this for loop, what it is giving. So if I equal to apple, it will break the for loop and it will print apple. Did you all get it?
So mine says banana for some reason, sir.
Banana for some reason. Did you give it I equal to apple?
I did.
Hmm.
And then when I type banana.
Where did you give it? Is after bracket or before bracket? One bracket, the bracket is here.
It's on the next line, sir.
Anyway, even if it is the next line, it is okay. Because if you are giving it here, then it will be, you will get a different answer. If it is here, it will be a different answer. It should be here actually.
Sir, mine is giving orange.
Mine's banana, sir.
Hey? Did you okay? I think one thing is that initially I was initialized. So that is better. What you can do is you can assign I equal to 0. Then it will be right. Before I equal to 0. Then you do it. Yes. You can
Still
assign
banana,
I
sir.
still banana.
Yes, sir.
Did you make it assign I equal to 0?
Yes, sir. Then after run the function, it's coming automatically banana on the right side on the value section.
Why it will come? Because if I equal to apple, break, it will print I, the first value. Did you put the bracket properly?
Yes, sir. I didn't
Sir,
change the
after I
brackets at all.
declared I is equal to 0, now I'm getting 0, sir.
Huh?
Sir, after giving that I is equal to 0, now I'm getting in the results, I'm getting 0.
Sir, after I removed banana from my set, sir, I got apple.
After?
After I removed banana from the data set, I got apple, sir.
After removing banana,
Yes, sir.
did you use banana in the first?
No, sir, it was the second.
Then how it is coming? Fruits. Share the screen because it's very simple command. You should not get an error for this. It is not an error. I want to know why. What did you do? Give something else in the code.
One minute, sir. Sir, after I removed the banana and put it back, it's no longer showing banana, sir.
Then?
After I removed the banana and then I put it back, it's no longer showing banana. Now it's showing apple itself, sir.
Okay. Share your screen. Because even if it is banana, it will break wherever it is. Because if the thing is that first it has got apple, if I give as date, then it will be different. If I give I as sorry, 1 minute. Okay. No, okay. What is okay? Fruits, apple, banana, jackfruit. For I in fruits. One minute. Here is the code for S in. Which is the code given for S? For S in apple. See what you have done. You have confused yourself only. Where is the fruit section? Fruit is on the top. First you execute the fruits. Execute the fruits. Who is sharing the screen? This is whose screen? Okay, Alex. First you execute the fruits. Okay, then I equal to 0 for I in fruits. Print I. Understood? Because you did the R has not taken that fruits initially. That is why it was coming in this manner. Now if I give the value differently, you can unshare the screen, Johnson. Now if I give it differently, if it may give the different answer. So I changed I to date. So again it will print the date only. Because after date it will what happens here? So first I is the fruits, it will check it. I is apple, apple is not equal to date. It will again go back, it will check it out. Banana, it is not equal to date. Jackfruit, it is not equal to date. Grapes, it is not equal to date. Then I is equal to date. So then it will break it and it will print I. Hopefully you understood this. Somebody was telling, Praniti, you got it? Pranati or
Yes,
Divya?
sir. Now I got it, sir. I don't know why it gave orange, but now I got it.
Now it is fine now?
Yes, sir. Now it is fine. I got the apple only, sir.
Okay. So let us move on. Everybody is getting the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes,
let us do
sir.
one more loop. This time I am taking dice. Dice equal to 1:6. Can give it like this also. C for X in dice. So we can directly give if X equal to 6, if X, remember that when you have to give it directly equal to, give it as double equal to.
So can you use the word then in this?
No, it's not needed. I got confused with that basic programming. In some programming language, you have to give then. For here, it is not necessary. Here you can add that else. Else Hopefully it takes it. Just check the brackets for dice 1:6. For x in dice, first curly bracket, if x equal to 6, print the dice number is x comma final. Okay. Okay, print dice number else, print not final. So the brackets are all correct. Just check it out. Then it should run.
Sir, there is one extra bracket after final, sir.
Yeah, somewhere I told from extra bracket. No, dice number is okay here, not final. Unexpected, okay. Next, if the dice number is if the commas are all correct, else print, okay. Check it now.
Sir, in if also, sir. Final, there is one more. One more
One
bracket
more.
is missing, sir. Final. If.
So this bracket is ending here, and if 1, 2,
Sir, the
here,
statement below else.
ah,
That one extra bracket after final.
one more extra bracket is needed, right? Yes. Just check it out. If x go to print, the dice number is okay. Here one is error. The error is different. You have to give here one bracket here, and okay, here one problem. What is the problem? Did you all understand? Yes or no? Problem is that after print, this is one. Then I have given one comma. That is what it is not recognizing. That is why I wanted to check it out. What is the error? Because print, then you have one.
Sir, we should not put comma there, sir, after x.
After, if it is comma is there, that is what is the error every time. One error
Is it me
coming.
or everyone can't understand?
Everybody will get it. So that is the error actually coming. So how you can avoid it? How you can avoid it? You can avoid it by using one function, that is because you can if you are removing these numbers, it will directly print as x. it will print it. But if you are giving in this manner, it will not take. Suppose if you want to print it, it will take in this manner. The thing is, you have to give it in this manner, it should take double, and here also 1. Now it should serve, because print, within the print function, this is the thing, then you have this comma x comma final. So there should be 2. I think now it is 2 are there. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Still there should be one more operator if it is not taking. So this is having operator. Yes. Okay. The why I gave you is that I want you to identify the errors if it is there. Again, there is one error. Because why it is taking? Because print is not recognizing this.
So you check the dice number X is there, no double inverted.
That is okay. Dice number, that is purposefully I gave you so that you identify what is the error here.
Here, that not final, the inverted comma, double inverted comma, only single it is there.
What single? Where is single? It is double only everywhere.
No, this side, print.
Which print?
Sir, what does invalid quote argument mean? What does invalid quote argument means?
That is what this operator, whatever it is not right. This statement is not right. That is what it is telling.
So before final, there is one comma which should be removed.
Before final, there is one comma. If it comma is not there, it is even one more error.
That bracket before the final. That bracket.
That is also right. Bracket has to be there, because if it is a what you call a vector, it is a this one letter is there. Letters are there. Vectors are there. It has to be within this bracket.
Sir, come down. That print is,
Identify what is the error. Tell me.
Down.
Down.
Third bracket of the
double flower
if
bracket
equals to 6, sir.
there, but you have operated with the one flower bracket.
Flower bracket, see, you check it out if all the brackets are correct or not. See, this bracket is ending here.
Yes.
This bracket is ending here. So one curly bracket I have given here.
Okay.
This is ending here. Here
so
there
are 2 brackets.
Yeah,
so
after
maybe
print. After print,
maybe
this
at
is
the
the
end of
error.
final there should be another bracket.
Which where? Before final?
Yeah, there should be another bracket, right?
One more bracket, you okay?
Because there are 2 brackets within the within the main
Okay.
bracket there are 2 small brackets. Yeah.
Here also.
No,
So here also there should be one more bracket.
Sir. Yeah.
So this is ending. This is ending here. Now check it out. If this statement is correct, then it will take it. Here 1, 2 is there. 1 and 2 is there. It is ending here. This is ending. If the brackets are fine, it should take it.
Sir, that's what even I got, sir. It is showing invalid quote argument from last.
That is what I am asking you. What is happening?
Oh, bracket.
Sir, it is not with respect to bracket, sir, because
It is not respect to bracket. This particular function it is not taking. So what you can add it to make it to take. One command I had given you, I think in the last classes. For adding one number, I had given you something to add it. An add function is needed. Can you recall it, anybody?
What's your add function, sir?
So if you follow calculate for joining two data sets.
Cbind.
Cbind is if it is numbers. If it is not numbers, if it is just string. I had given one function.
Okay.
One paste function, if anybody can recall. Try to do with the function paste and see. Because paste, if you give it, then it will take it all the 5 values together with the paste function. Can you recall this paste? See, it is even telling it that paste function was only needed. Now you can remove the brackets and check it out. It will work.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Because that is why I am telling that when you are giving this, print will not take this command. Because this is not that syntax of print. So now I have to check the brackets. So one is fine, one is even here. This bracket is ending here. This bracket is ending here. 1, 2, print, paste. Okay, and one more bracket. Else this is ending here. And 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, now check it out. Okay, here I gave print, paste I have to give. Understood? That is purposefully I made this error so that you can understand what is the error happening and what is the print function. In print function, what you can give and what you cannot give. Now anybody can do this without giving the print function, without giving the paste function. Can anybody do it without the paste function? Only thing is that you cannot give this number, or you have to give print 2 times. Everybody got this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just check out the brackets. And everybody take this as homework without paste function, how you can give it. Without paste function, if you are giving it, there should be, you have to give it print 2 times. Or print, because in this complete function, it will not take in print. That is the problem. To give it individually. So everybody got it? Yes or no? Everybody understood this command?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody who did not get? This is the nested loop. That is why I told this is nested loop. If this is for Sorry, it is if else, because I think if else you used for the some other, that is a vector. Vector you used else function, you remember? If this is not equal to, then it is equal to this. So with this, I use the this one for loop. Remember, this is an important syntax. Remember it. Try to use it without the paste function. But problem is that if you are not using, you will not get it in this manner, because this both these sentences as well as X, it will not be able to take it. Okay, let us move on. Okay, create one more one data set already you have for fruits. Take it. Create one more data set for fruit. Where is it for fruits? Why I am copying it, so that you understand this. So, and one more you do for vegetables. Do one more data, keeping the numbers constant. Do not change the numbers. Here, how many you have? 5. So keep the vegetables also 5. Take any vegetables, not necessarily you have to take mine only. So I want to put it in the same manner in a nested loop. How you can do it? Do it, everybody. Just check it out if I have done any mistake in the brackets. This is one bracket and two brackets. So this is two, this is okay. Okay, print x, y. Okay. So fruits, vegetables. Yeah. So you are doing, this is the nested loop. So you are taking individually one fruit and pasting it with the one vegetable. That is a nested loop. Got it, everybody? In the nested loop, please be very careful with the brackets. Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done, everybody? Shall we move on?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, today I have to end it before, okay. One more I can take it, two more I have to take it. Let me see. So given function like this, One moment, everybody. Okay. Okay, do it, everybody. Okay. So in this you are giving that you are assigning the list as the 0, that is null list, and you are giving the value in the list. That is, you are giving the sequence 1 to 5 and by 1. So you are multiplying it. So 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, and 5 into 5. Okay? Done for everybody? So I will give you some quickly. I will give you some this one graphical functions. Everybody has done it. Everybody has done it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will move forward with the graphical functions. Very small graphical function I will move forward and let us see. Is it okay? Shall I move forward, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can give this x and y, and then you can give the plot function. So it is I have given here in the capital. Give it in the capital. This one I had done it in the last class. Still I am repeating it. So other functions I will tell you. So check it out, everybody. X and y, it has come in this manner. But if I give it in this manner, plot x and the symbol it is and y, just check it out what it happens. It has just reversed it. So this, here x has come and here y has come. Okay, everybody are doing it along with me.
Sir, we could just give y comma x, no, sir?
That also you can do it. Yes. I just gave you one other way around. So you can also interchange it in this manner. Now I have given you box plot. So see box plot how it will come. This is the box plot. Okay. You can try histogram. Histogram of x and histogram of y. You can take your own functions, your own values. So this is histogram of y. And you can give this bind function and then you can plot xy. So this is xy and then you can plot xy. This is your QQ plot. You can even give it in this manner, QQ plot y. And these two commands I am giving you, you should execute on your own, because currently you have to give the data for this. That is plot shade, comma temperature, and plot shade in the other way manner. That is the plot other way manner in the shade temperature. So these three you have to execute it on your own, because you can give, you have the data sets, past data sets, or you can create your own data sets and you can do it. Okay, any doubt in today's class?
No, sir.
Okay.
No.
Okay, great. So these three codes you have to execute it on your own. So tomorrow I will try to take you the other graphical function. Maybe it will be a little theoretical class, and then I will go ahead with the further demonstrations with the separate data sets also. Tomorrow, if possible, we will try to work with some of the data sets. So in the meantime, everybody, I am giving you homework in advance. One, as I told Alex, to give you the Google form, and everybody should fill it. Try with the functions which I gave in the previous classes, and also in the today's class, that is the plots. Whichever the plots I gave you, that is plot XY, you can give it with respect to male and female, with respect to this one height as well as weight, like that you can do it. Okay. If you remember, shade I had given as what you call yes and no. Yes and no I had given. In that shade you can give it as male and female, like that you can do it. Okay. This is one homework in advance along with the graphs I am giving you. So further graphs I will take tomorrow. Okay. Any doubts in the today's class?
No, sir.
Okay. So I will be ending here. Tomorrow again, same time we will continue the class. Okay. If you have any doubts, anybody is not able to execute, please let me know. Divya and Shailesh, are you both able to execute the codes today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, great. Okay. Okay, then thank you. See you all. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night, sir.
Night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good night.